Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video with ReecyVidz. Today I'm going to Manchester, so stick around and I'm going to dive in right about now.
All we got is time, so stay a while, stay a while. All we got is time, so stay a while, stay a while.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my video. I'm walking to Collier's Yard and Salford. As you can see, it's just over there. I'm looking forward to today's trip. I ain't done this trip in ages. It's been a few months since I last did a video in Manchester. So I'm looking forward to seeing what's new. I'm hoping to get some shots like New York today. So there'll be some like New York sort of pictures, hopefully. So stick around and there's more to come. So I'm looking forward to seeing what's new at Collier's Yard in Greengate. Apparently Waterloo Place has now started being constructed, so I'm looking forward to seeing that. There's lots of new developments probably now, so I need to catch up. It's just been so cold, hasn't it, in winter and stuff. But yeah, I'm looking forward to today, so stick around and there's more to come. So this is a brand new development called Waterloo Place, originally called One Heritage. Groundworks are currently taking place. It's a very exciting time around Greengate at the moment. Lots of construction going on, and there'll be plenty of skyscrapers in the future. There's development sticking out everywhere now in Manchester. Just me posing again. I love taking photos of like my outfit of the day and stuff. I just like people to see what I'm wearing, so excuse me for that. Manchester makes me so happy, it's so exciting, just everything that's going on. It's just a great city to be in. Greengate Salford is shaping up to be such a good looking cluster. I love it so much. As you can see, Collier's Yard Tower 1 and Tower 2 are now complete. They look really good. I really like them. I like that they've got different cladding styles. It makes it more interesting. Just an urban shot for you all. 2 hours later. This is a really cool building. I really like the design of it. It looks a bit like a building in London. This part of Manchester is a really cool area. I really like the architecture. I think it's so unique and different. There is some absolutely stunning architecture around Manchester. It's just an amazing place. I'm walking on the road here. I'm walking on like a little thing here. Not very safe, but you know, I never do things normally, do I? Look at this building. It's a green building. Good for the environment. I'm not really a fan of like environmentally friendly buildings, but they do look nice and different, but they're not my favourite. These car parks are really cool. I really like the design. It's really unique. It reminds me of like a cheese grater or something. Trinity Islands is standing out now all over the city. It's very exciting. This is Nava Phase 2, looking really nice. It's topped out now, I think. The floor slabs are halfway up and it's impacting the skyline. Here's a close-up shot of Nava Phase 2. So this is Trinity Islands, Vista River Gardens, looking very exciting. Tower 1 is now topped out and Tower 2 is now on its way up, just a quarter of the way up. It's going to be a really tall building. It's going to be 183 metres, this one. The cladding is very similar to Deansgate Square, but nonetheless it's still very nice and I'm looking forward to it being complete. So this is Stacey Tate Deansgate. It's topped out now. The floor slabs have also topped out. It's a great looking building. I think it's over 20 stories. 360 at the Blade and Elizabeth Tower are looking very moody today, but nonetheless they still look very great. I love them so much. This is Deansgate South, 28 storey block. The slip form court is now topped out. I think they're starting on the floor slabs now. It's a very exciting building. It looks like Flatiron when it's complete. So it's very exciting times in Manchester. This new fresh development is Contour. It's going to be 51 stories and it'll be an adjustment to Deansgate Square. It's very exciting. I'm looking forward to this development. It's going to really stand out. I'll show you in a minute what it looks like, because the cladding is on the first building, so I'll show you that in a second. So as you can see, the slip form core is currently at number 8. It's growing very quickly because this wasn't here when I was here last time, so it's come on really quickly. So the tall building next to Deansgate Square's South Tower is also Contour. This is Tower 1 I think, at 51 stories. You can see the design, it's very sleek, very interesting to look at. I think it's a very cool building and it's got a bit of a greenish tint to it compared to Deansgate Square. But yeah, I love it so much, I think it's great. As you can see, it's an adjustment to Deansgate Square with a slight green tint to it, but it makes it more interesting to look at. This part of Manchester is really booming now. It's a really exciting time to be around. There's just so much going on, there's so much construction. It's so exciting. So as you can see, the Downings development, Square Gardens, is looking great. It's now finished almost. They're still working on the other side of it, which you can't see on the video. And there's developments going on here as well. This is also very exciting. This is going to be called 1 Medlock Street at 28 stories, I think. Very exciting times. There's so many tower blocks going up, it's going to be just like Manhattan. So Square Gardens is looking great. I really like it. The cladding is also very interesting. It's got designs on it which are unique and original. It's really cool. So they are just finishing off the last bits of 1 Square, Downing's development. So yeah, very exciting times. So now moving on to Oxford Road. I really like this building, I think it's so cool. It's definitely unique and original. It's got a Manhattan vibe to it, and I just love it so much. I think it's so cool. So this is the St Michael's development in Manchester city centre. It's just near Town Hall and it's near Beetham Tower. They're working on a skyscraper bit now. It's so exciting. I really like the design of this building. I think it's so cool. It's a bit like London. It is getting a lot like London now with Manchester, and I'm not complaining. I think it's really good. Because I always said that Manchester was like New York, so it's nice that it's actually living up to its standards. So yeah. So the St Michael's development has now started on the slip from core for the tallest building. It's currently at number 1, but I think it'll rise very quickly. It is just an exciting time to be in Manchester now. There's so much going on. Thank you for watching everybody. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos to come in future. Bye everyone. Take care.